Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Halaseen and today I'll be doing the unboxing of the products which I have purchased, and there are a lot of products, so just grab some coffee or tea or cold drink, whatever you like, and stay tuned for this video. Also, I'll be doing the video in parts, like it will be first the hair care, then the skin care, and then the makeup products. So yeah, let's go. The hair care products. So the first product is from Earth Rhythm shampoo bar. So this is basically made up of hemp and charcoal. So that's the, actually it had come with the packaging. I have almost used up. So it's a black color soap bar. So once it's dried up, you have to just keep it in this tin. So it's written here with tamarind fruit, anti-hair fall and hair growth, sulfite and paraben free always. So I'll share the product details and their links in the description box with the prices as well. Also I'll mention it here somewhere down about the prices of the products. So yeah, that's the first product. The next product is from the Curl. So as you guys know, I have recently started with my curly girl routine, and so I had to buy some curly hair friendly products. So there is the shampoo, conditioner and the hair care cream, guidebook kind of guide pamphlet. So here it's written that how we have to use the product. So this is the shampoo, this is the cream, and this is the conditioner. Isn't the packaging very cute? So those are the products. So those are the products. So I will be trying and testing these products out and share my review on this very soon. So stay tuned on it. If you guys want to know what I am doing for my hair and how I am keeping the curls maintained, so do let me know in the comments below and I will surely try to answer them out. So those were my hair care products. So the first skincare product is it is from Earth Rhythm again, and this is their clear skin enriched with natural AHA and BHA exfoliating cleanser. So basically it's a cleanser. So that's the product. So basically it has AHA and BHA infused in it, so I will be using this product every alternate day. Also I will share the review about this product on my Instagram page. I will share all the links in the description box below. Do check them out. This product is from Seisha Beauty. The packaging is really amazing. I'm amazed by the packaging. I loved how authentic this looks, how beautiful it is. So basically I had purchased one product and I got two products free with it. So this is the face powder, Tejaswini face powder, soap free, 100% natural. So this is the free product which I have received. This is the pure rose water. Even this is free. And this is the Kumkumadi Thailam, and I want to just show you the bottle first. How cutely they have packed it. Also it's wrapped in some paper. So they have gone really in a very friendly manner for packaging, I must say. So that's the bottle. So tiny and cute, but you just have to take some drop of it, and that's the bottle. It's very tiny and cute. You just have to take some of the 1 or 2 drops and apply it all over your face. It has the droplet inside. So that's the droplet. So I purchased this product and I received other 2 products free, and they are the full size products. So it was a very much steal deal for me. I think you must definitely try this out, as they are 100% natural. So yeah, that's it. So next, let's move on to the makeup, the last part of this video. So basically, there are not much items in makeup. So the first thing I want to introduce to you is this Bare Beauty Skin Gloss Illuminating Primer Oil. So I have used it. If you can see, I am just loving this product. It just makes your skin glow. Like, I'm just loving this product. I have already applied today also on my face. If you see my Get Ready With Me, I have used this oil on my face. So yeah, that's a very much amazing product. So the next product is from Earth Rhythm. So I had purchased 3 products from Earth Rhythm, and this had come in this bag. A Zero Waste Initiative by Soap Works India. So basically that's the product. It's very soft. You just have to apply oil or any remover like makeup remover and just wipe it off with this, instead of using the cotton wipes or the tissues or wet wipes, anything as such. This is, you just have to use this and then wash it and dry it up, and this is very soft. I'm just loving this. So the next product, which recently came, I think day before yesterday itself, it's this. These are the fake eyelashes. For the first time I'm buying the fake eyelashes, and these eyelashes are from the Europe Girl. So this retailed me for 350, and they have some amazing 3 sets in it. So I will definitely try them out and share you guys my review on this as well, and I'll share all the links in the description box below. Also, these lashes are set 06, so they have set 1, set 2, set 3. So till set 10 they have, so I chose the set 06. So those are the lashes. They are really very pretty. Next, I have the products from this new brand called Shryan Cosmetics. So they are not very much well known brand as of now. They are just a home brand, and I'm loving the product. I love their cheek cleaners. It is amazing. I have applied right now on my face as well. Also, I have used the cheek cleaners in my previous videos, so you can definitely check the link in the description box. So I have ordered a set of lip and eye pencils from the Shryan Cosmetics. So these are 12. So these are the 12 lip pencils, and this retail for 250 only. It's just for 250 bucks. They have really very cheap makeup product, very cheap makeup prices, and their products are of good quality. I must tell you guys that. So that's the pencil. It's amazing. It's very soft. It's smooth. I like it. So these are all the colors: the red, the green, the blues, the orange, the yellow, white, black, all colors. So I can use this for my face, lip, and also I can make some face paints using this product. So yeah, those, they are pigmented. I'll share the swatches of this on my Instagram page. So again, I'm reminding you guys to follow me on Instagram. I'll share all my social media handles down below in the description box, and yeah, please do follow me on Instagram as well. So the next product is, this is the eyeliner. So this is the white metallic eyeliner which I wanted it for so long. So that's the eyeliner. I think it has the shimmer in it. Yeah, it has some shimmer in it, and it's not white, it's basically a silver eyeliner. And the brush is quite stiff. If you can see this, that's the shape. I don't know how it's going to be reflect on the video. So yeah, that's that. And then the next product is the concealer. So I had taken a very light shade. The reason behind taking this light shade is I want to do some eye makeup look. So I wanted a very light color like white gel eyeliner, but I couldn't find any good white gel eyeliner, so I thought of going for a light color shade. So I love the wand of this. Also my mom can use this color, so that's the shade. This is the neutral shade which I had taken. They have some good quality makeup, I must tell you guys. Please do check out their page, follow them on Instagram, and yeah, please do check their page out. I'll share the link in the description box. They have really very cheap prices, and the quality of the makeup is superb. It's like amazing. So the next products are from Nykaa. I can't take my hands off from Nykaa, as you know. So the first product is the L'Oreal mascara. So I have already opened it. So that's the product. I've used this already, and today also I'm using this on my eyelashes. I love the result, how it has shown up. Like, I don't need fake lashes. Like, it's like I don't need fake eyelashes. It's like that. If you don't want fake eyelashes, you can definitely go for this mascara because it volumizes. Next product is NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. So I wanted to buy a foundation which gives me a full coverage and I don't have to do much on it. So I had purchased this. This was an offer at that time. This is in the shade Golden Honey and it suits me completely well. And today also I have applied on my face. I love the glow on my face because of the skin illuminating gloss primer oil. I'm just loving the glow. Also I've used the Cheek Leaders blush on my skin. So yeah, that's the product. I have used this product as well today, and you just need one drop of it and you're just good to go. Last product for today is the lipstick from NYX. This is in the shade Exotic, and I'll I'll share the price of this. I think I got this for 350 rupees in the discount. So it was a steal deal for me. I always wanted to buy this lipstick shade, and oh, there's no place to swatch. I have already applied this lipstick on my lips today. So that's the shade. It's kind of pinky, nudie kind of a shade on a brown skin girl. So yeah, that's the lipstick. I have already applied it on my lips. And I like the way it has dried out. And I'm loving the way it has dried up. So yeah, that's the lipstick from NY. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please hit that bell icon below so you keep on getting the notification of my work, and please keep supporting me on my YouTube. Also, I'll share my Instagram link in the description box. Please do follow me on Instagram, and till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.